hurt. Oh, geez.
Oh no. It chewed the pencil.
You give me that. I know. We're gonna get rid of this piece right now. Doing his arms just like
You're never getting this pencil back.
What are you doing? Are you using it as an armrest now? I just want to pet you. Can I have it?
Oh, jeez.
Can I have it? I know. You're so mad, I know. But it's not your pencil, you know? You took it. It's not yours. Gimme. Yeah, it's not yours. I think maybe London needs this to do his homework. Yeah, London needs it. You have to give it back. I know.